my name is Tom Simmons. I'm one of the founders of Mission Property Loss Consultants, your professional public adjuster. Today I want to go through some frequently asked questions. So let's start off with identifying what is a public adjuster and why should you hire one. So a public adjuster is a licensed professional who represents you, the policyholder, in handling of your insurance claim. Unlike insurance company adjusters or staff adjusters or independent adjusters who work for the insurance company, a public adjuster works solely on your behalf to ensure that you receive a fair settlement. Hiring a public adjuster can help you with settling your claim for what you deserve per your policy. So how does Mission Property Loss Consultants differ from other public adjusters? Well, at Mission Property Loss Consultants, we prioritize transparency, integrity, and collaboration. We work closely with your contractor to ensure that all repair estimates are accurate and reflect the true scope of work needed. Additionally, our extensive experience in commercial, residential claims allow us to handle large-scale and intricate claims effectively. Another common question is, what fees do you charge, and are there any additional costs? So in North South Carolina, our typical fee schedule is 15% of the settled amount. So important to note, we do not charge a fee on your deductible, which means you keep more of your settlement. There are no hidden fees or upfront costs. Our payment comes directly from the settlement that we secure for you. Now, if we recommend at the end of the process you go to an attorney or go to an appraisal, or if we have to bring in another licensed professional such as an engineer or forensic meteorologist, that can incur additional fees, but that is something that's with your approval. We work with you and we just don't go rogue and hire a bunch of experts that you're responsible for. So what is a typical timeline for resolving a claim with a public adjuster? The timeline for resolving a claim can really vary depending on the complexity of the loss and the responsiveness of the insurance company and their adjusters. On average, claims can take anywhere from a few weeks to several months. However, by hiring a public adjuster like Mission Property Loss Consultants, you can often expedite the process as we manage all communications and negotiations with your insurer on your behalf. Another question can be, do I still need a contractor if I hire a public adjuster? Answer is yes. A contractor is essential for providing accurate repair estimates and performing the necessary work. At Mission, we collaborate closely with your contractor to ensure that the claim accurately reflects all the damages and necessary repairs, resulting in a comprehensive settlement that covers all the cost. What are the legal or regulatory guidelines I should be aware of when hiring a public adjuster in this case, we'll say North and South Carolina? Well, in North and South Carolina, public adjusters must be licensed by the state departments of insurance. They're also required to adhere to very strict ethical guidelines and standards and regulations. These are designed to protect you, the policyholder. I would always verify and encourage you to verify that your public adjuster, whether it be us or someone else, is properly licensed and is in good standing with the state. Are there any common misconceptions with public adjusters that you should know about? One common misconception is that hiring a public adjuster will delay the claim process or cause friction with the insurance company. Many policyholders know, like, and trust their insurance agent, the person who sells you the policy. And a lot of times the policyholders may not understand that it's a different person from corporate handling your insurance claim. So by hiring a public adjuster, we can streamline the process by ensuring the documentation is complete, by ensuring that you're compliant with your duties after loss section in your policy, and the estimate accurately reflects your loss. So another misconception is that public adjusters only work on large claims. In fact, Mission Property Loss Consultants, we handle claims of all sizes. This ensures that every policyholder gets the settlement they deserve. It's important to us that whether we work an international airport, a condo association, or a smaller home, that we properly document the damage and we advocate on your behalf. Another question is, how do you ensure that the claim process is transparent in my best interest, or in your best interest as a policyholder? The public adjusters have a fiduciary duty that they are bound to advocate for your interest, the policyholder's interest. So transparency is one of our core values at Mission Property Loss Consultants. We provide you with regular updates throughout the claim process and explain each step in detail. And of course, we're always available to answer your questions, but if you can't get through to us, we have set up a claim portal that should have been or will be emailed to you. So 24/7, you can see our activity, our notes, upload files for us to review, see who is assigned to your claim, the staff that's working on your behalf. And so as we update that activity on your portal, you'll be able to see the calls, the emails, the correspondence that is received and sent, so you stay updated. What should I expect during the initial consultation with Mission Property Loss Consultants? So during the initial conversation, we ask questions about the insurance policy. We ask photos. We ask for photos. We ask for measurements. We ask for estimates. And this is with you and your contractor both. We try to collect as much information as possible so we can properly identify, is this a claim that we feel we can add value to? There is no obligation. We don't charge for the meeting. We don't charge for the consultation. We're here to add value and answer any questions that you may have, and also outline a 3-step process if you choose to proceed with our services. One of the things that you will not find here is high pressure. If it were me and I was being given a high sales pitch pressure, I'm gone. So we try to be and treat other people like we would want to be treated. What are some benefits of hiring Mission over handling a claim on, say, your own? Handling your own insurance claim can be very time consuming, stressful, and especially if you're unfamiliar with the process. A lot of people believe they can handle their own insurance claim, and some might be successful, but there's a lot of terminology that is unique to the insurance industry, and specifically the policy language and also the property insurance language. So by hiring a public adjuster, we speak the same language, use the same estimating software. By doing that, we can communicate more effectively with your insurance company. So by hiring us, you gain a dedicated advocate who understands the complexities of the insurance policies and the claim procedures. Every insurance company is a little bit different, so I can't say if you have X, Y, and Z insurance company, here's what you should do. Every insurance company has their own internal guidelines, their own policies, and their own way, own methods of handling and settling claims. But we do handle all negotiations with the insurer, allowing you to focus on rebuilding, recovering from your loss, and focusing on what really matters to you. So how do we assess the value of your claim? We begin by conducting a thorough assessment of the damage, including detailed documentation and analysis. We use industry standard software, typically that is called Xactimate, and techniques to create a comprehensive estimate. We also review your insurance policy to ensure that all applicable coverages are considered. This allows us to present a well-supported claim to your insurance company. What steps are involved in the claim process with Mission? So the typical process involves several steps. One is step 1. We come out, we do the initial damage assessment, or we have enough evidence to determine this is a claim we can add value to. The second step is the collection and the submission of the claim package, which includes notice to carrier. It includes photo damage, it includes weather reports, it includes the estimate, it includes justification and support of your claim. Once we submit that to the insurance company, that begins step 2. Step 2 is the back and forth, the negotiation process with the insurance company. And then step 3 is really just the settlement of the claim and closing out of that claim. And we stay with you through the entire process. Can Mission Property Loss Consultants help you if your claim has already been denied by your insurance company? This actually happens very frequently, and so we can assist you if your claim has already been denied. When reviewing the denial, we identify any errors or omissions and work to present a stronger case to the insured. Oftentimes, a well-documented appeal can lead to a very successful outcome. But you have to know state statutes, you have to know contract and policy language, you have to know the claims process. That's where we come in. What if your insurance company offers a settlement that seems too low? If you receive a settlement offer from your insurance company that doesn't fully cover your loss, we can step in and negotiate on your behalf. Our expertise in policy interpretation and damage assessment allows us to present a compelling case for a higher settlement. We work to ensure that you receive the full amount that you're entitled to under your policy. How does Mission Property Loss Consultants stay updated on changes in insurance regulation? This to me is really important because every year state legislations, they change the laws, they update the statutes. And so we get regular updates from every state that we work in, and we stay compliant by going in twice a year, reviewing the state regulations, looking at changes, and continuing education programs to ensure that we provide our clients with the most current and accurate advice. What is the role of a public adjuster during the insurance company's inspection of your property? During the insurance company's inspection of your property, we represent your interest by attending the inspection and ensuring all damages are fully documented, and we also work with the insurance adjuster to clarify any discrepancies. We also advocate for a fair evaluation of your loss. This helps prevent potential undervaluation and undersettlement of your claim while ensuring a timely payment from your insurance company. Another question could be, will hiring a public adjuster affect your relationship with your insurance company? We get this a lot. By hiring a public adjuster, it should not negatively impact your relationship with your insurance company. Our role is, very simply put, to ensure that you are compliant with your duties after loss section of your policy. Our role is to document the damage and present a comprehensive claim package to your insurance company. We don't go unhinged and go off and say anything that's not professional. We maintain professionalism and cooperative communication with your insurer and you throughout the process. We're a firm believer that you catch more flies with honey than vinegar. Do we handle large scale or complex claims? So I would say that large scale and or complex claims require specialized expertise, which we have. We are well equipped to provide that. We have experience with a wide range of claim types, including industrial losses, commercial losses, and residential losses, from hurricanes to tornadoes to burst water pipes to flooded out mid-rises. Our team conducts thorough investigations. We work with experts as needed, and we manage every detail to ensure that all aspects of the claim are addressed. If you're a business, then we look at business interruption. We look at the business inventory if you're, say, a retail shop. We have handled international airports, condo associations, churches, warehouses, business interruption claim, HOA claims, malls, and even smaller commercial buildings. Can Mission Property Loss Consultants help with claims for both residential and commercial policies? Short answer is yes. Whether you're dealing with your home, a business, or another type of property, we definitely have the experience and knowledge to guide you through the claims process. So what should you do immediately after a loss? After a loss, it's crucial to document the damage as soon as possible. Take photographs, make a list of damaged items, and secure the property to prevent further damage. Contact your insurance company to report the loss, then reach out to Mission Property Loss Consultants. We will guide you through the next steps and begin working on your claim. That is the top 20 of the most frequently asked questions that we receive. If you are already working with a contractor that works with us, they are able to submit your claim through their claim portal, or you can go to www.missionplc.com. In the top right hand corner, you will find a submit your claim button, and when you do that, you'll be able to submit your claim, and it goes into our queue for our evaluation, and we will be reaching out to you to discuss your loss and kind of go through that initial consultation. I also want to extend my personal cell phone. If you have any questions, I am always available. If you have any concerns, I'm always available. My cell phone is 314-706-5991. It's been awesome doing this video for you and answering some questions that I know you may have. But let's get a meeting set up and let's get your claim taken care of.